Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 7. We want to present our presentation about Japan's aid in Myanmar. Before we started our presentation, I will introduce myself, Perji, and my friends. There is Faisal Sidik, Cindy Prawira, Gina Upaira, Andre Indratama, and Dwi Handayani.
First, introduction. Myanmar and Japan have had an important shared history since the Pacific War, when Japan occupied the British colony in Burma and established a state and army, the first post-colonial in the country. After independence from Britain in 1948, Burmese unity became a very contradictory society, especially under the isolationist socialist regime General Ne Win. However, Japan plays a major role in Myanmar's economic development through the allocation of war reparations and official development assistance or ODA, especially in loans. Next, Japan will get benefit from Myanmar because of the relationship was expanded. Not only Japanese companies will get benefit, but Japan will have access to Myanmar raw materials and gain the ability to compete more effective with economically expansive China. However, on Myanmar side, it's not possible there are people other than the military elite and capitalist cronies who will get benefit from the flooding union loans and infrastructure projects. Without resolution politics of many of Myanmar's conflicts, including the establishment of truly open political institutions, Japanese assistance and other countries is likely to create conflict, social and ethnic roots are getting worse. Next.
Then I will explain about the unfinished conflict in Myanmar. First, to understand Myanmar conflict, society requires at least summary discussion of its moderate history, and I will try to explain it in a simple way. Okay, first, in World War II, Myanmar have many tribes and foreign military that often fighting with each other. This had caused many victims. Next is when Japan gave up in World War II. After the atomic bomb by United States of America, Japan's military in Myanmar went to their mainland. But the real problem lay in the continuous ethnic conflict in Myanmar. As you know that Myanmar have many tribes. Even Karen tribe wanted to build their own state that separate from Myanmar itself. That ethnic conflict had caused the unstable politics in Myanmar. And then, although after 1988 the junta agreed to ceasefire with the majority of ethnic armed groups in the late 1980s and early 1990s, the division between Myanmar and other tribes remained prominent in Myanmar's politics until this day. After that, there are many tribes, like I said before, that are contradicting one another, and the distrust between Myanmar's government and tribes. Finally, social unrest led to General Ne Win's decision to retire and handed over his power to the younger generation, that is Tatmadaw. So, the main point of the unfinished conflict in Myanmar is because there is an internal problem where the government of Myanmar could not calming the rebellion of the tribes. And then the next one will be explained by my friend.
This economic intervention in Myanmar through the assistance of Official Development Assistance or ODA, which in the form of Japanese state investment infrastructure. Tokyo asked the junta to improve draw care Suki after 1980 and request his release from the house of arrest in the land with support pro-democratic reader provided by the United States countries, other Western countries. Next.
Next, Japanese aid to Myanmar, a convergence of interest. The government is usually promoted to improve their own image inside domestic and international. In reality, it is driven driven by the convergence of interest or self-interest from diverse parties, where the goal benefits ordinary people in the country. The recipient often plays the role of subordinate. Unlike other interested parties, people directly affected by aid projects are generally cut from the planning and implementation process, leaving them observers for that decision. In many cases, it will greatly change their life. Next.
Next, I will explain about the factor why in Junta's era they declining defended. The first factor is human rights. There is human rights violation by SLORC or SPDC, and the removal of the result of the May 1990 general election. The second factor is Myanmar cannot pay its debt, so investment in Tokyo is declining and cannot plan assistance to Myanmar. The third factor, the influence of Newin cannot control SLORC or SPDC. And the last factor is the end of forward driving ASEAN countries to promote Southeast Asia economic integration. And the conclusion from our review is in September 2016, Currency Support Network published a newspaper that critiqued the development of Japan's international cooperation institution in Myanmar. This article warns that the economic approach before politics is against development in ethnic minority areas may exacerbate rather than resolve conflict. Several Japanese states in Myanmar shows greater ambition and scale compared to previous infrastructure projects. Without political resolution for Myanmar's extensive social conflict, this will enlarge the development of open political institutions. Next.
Critical review. In the background, the author of the journal explained the economic intervention by Japan at Myanmar. This intervention, according our group, can increase Japanese influence in Myanmar. First, in where on several occasions Japan advised Myanmar to improve his good treatment of Daw Aung San Suu Kyi and release him from the detention center to be in line the head of pro-democracy countries. This is a very contradiction with planning for assistance by Japan, who want to implement an integration Myanmar domestic politics. And then the root of the problem of conflict in Myanmar. The journal author argued the main cause of the conflict was due to the excite of tribes contradicting one another and the dispute between the Myanmar government and the tribe. According to our group, the root of this conflict between government and ethnic group is lack of government effort to and resolve problems peaceful and diplomatic. In the journal, the author also explained the causes of economic intervention by Japan, which in the form of aid fund in Myanmar to compensate for losing during World War, able to support Japan being economic cooperation. In the case, our group also sees one concept from the perspective of liberals.
Okay, that's all for the presentation from Group 7. Thank you for the time and the attention. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay.